Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional on Sunday afternoon. In this additional of the weekend edition, Sunday, January the 27th, 28th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two puzzles left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. This one will be number 788. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1, double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, so the rest are O's, double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4, O, so the rest are 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. Between the 1s comes an O, between the O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. And double O, here 1, there 1. Double check: 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. Well, 2 minutes. Well, quick to solve this one without comparing, in a flow. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle in this afternoon. In the evening I will solve the Samurai Sudoku. So see you in a minute. Until then, bye bye for now.